June 2, 2024, araw ng linggo. Sa Biblia naman tayo tungkol kay Propetang Daniel. But you, Daniel, keep the word secret and seal the book till the time of the end. Many will seek here and there, and knowledge shall be increased. Daniel 12:4. When humanity has reached a sufficient level of scientific understanding, ito na yung panahon ngayon. And this will happen when the power of the holy people ceases to be dispersed. Daniel chapter 12:7. When the people of Israel recover their land after their long diaspora, the state of Israel was created a few decades ago, at the same time as the explosion of humanity's scientific knowledge. Ito nga yung 1948 na i-grant na ng United Nations ang State of Israel na hanggang ngayon ay pinag-aawayan pa nila ng mga Palestino. Go your way, Daniel, for the words are kept secret and sealed till the time of the end. Daniel chapter 12 verse 9. Ang mga sinabi ng Elohim kay Daniel ay hindi maintindihan nung panahon na yun, pero ngayon ay maintindihan na scientifically.